Good morning to all of you. I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English with me. And in the previous lecture, we had started chapter number 11 of English literature, that is the four seasons. Alright, we had done one warm-up exercise of the same chapter. That was, the exercise was given on page number 95. So today, as the exercise is done, we will today do a reading session on the poem, and I will explain the poem as well to you. Now, please open page number 96 of your English treasure book. Okay, you have to open this page. Alright, page 96. Now, first stanza I had already written for you here. Okay, we will read the stanza and then I will explain it to you. What is the first stanza? The seasons change 4 times a year. From spring to winter, they appear. This is what we learned to read in the previous lecture. So the seasons change 4 times a year. From spring to winter, they appear. Okay, what is the meaning of this stanza? The meaning is, we are talking about the change of the seasons in this stanza. Okay, हम इस stanza में seasons किस तरह change होते हैं, है ना? साल में 4 बार. Okay, the seasons change. Okay, 4 times a year. How many times in 1 year? 4 times in a year. The seasons change 4 times in 1 year. All right. From spring to winter, they appear. Okay, so now how does their change appear to us? Okay, in what, how do they change? They change from spring, beginning from the spring to the winter. Okay, they appear to us. Alright, so from the spring they had told us, from the spring to the winter. So 4 seasons we are talking here in this poem. We are talking about 4 seasons in this poem. Alright. So from spring to winter they appear. Alright. Now firstly we will talk about the spring season. Okay, because this change, this cycle, the poet has begun this change from the spring season. So firstly we will understand about the spring season. Okay, how is the spring season? कैसा है spring season और क्या क्या चीजें होती है spring season में? तो firstly we are gonna learn about the spring season. So I hope you know how to read this stanza. Alright, I am writing the other stanza here. The spring is breezy. Spring is breezy. Okay, well, it's not so much visible, so let me write it here only. So spring is breezy. New leaves grow. Flowers bloom. And sway in rows. Full stop. Okay. So, for a minute we will just learn how to read this stanza. So, you know what is this word spring? Spring. Spring is breezy. B-R-E-E-Z-Y. Breezy. B-R-E-E-Z-Y-Z. So, spring is breezy. Spring is breezy. stanza, this particular stanza is telling us about the spring season. Okay, so in the poem, from where does the seasons it begins, the seasons, this change begin from the spring season to the winter season. So according to the poem, पोएट ने सबसे पहले स्प्रिंग सीजन को सिलेक्ट किया है, ऑलराइट, उसके बाद वो चेंज होते जाएंगे. सो द फर्स्ट सीजन दैट वी हैव टू रीड अबाउट इज स्प्रिंग. ओके, सो नाउ हाउ इज द स्प्रिंग सीजन, हाउ इज द सीजन? स्प्रिंग इज ब्रीजी. कैसा है स्प्रिंग सीजन? ब्रीजी. ब्रीजी, द वर्ड मीन्स विंडी. ब्रीजी का मतलब होता है विंडी, दैट मीन्स विंड चलती है स्प्रिंग सीजन में. ओके, विंड मीन्स हवा. सो स्प्रिंग जो है वो ब्रीजी है, ऑलराइट. नाउ यू नो ब्रीजी, ब्रीज मीन्स सिर्फ हवा नहीं, खुशबू वाली हवा. ओके, सो ब्रीज, ओके, जिस हवा में हल्की हल्की सी खुशबू मिक्स है. नाउ यू नो ना, इन द स्प्रिंग सीजन, अब वो खुशबू किस वजह से है वो पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, न्यू लीव्स ग्रो. यू नो इन द स्प्रिंग सीजन न्यू लीव्स ग्रोज ऑन द बैरन ट्रीज, राइट. दिस वी हैव लर्नड इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर, द स्टोरी ऑफ द 4 सीजन्स. उधर हमने पढ़ा था जब स्प्रिंग रूल कर रहे थे. सो व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग देयर व्हेन स्प्रिंग वाज रूलिंग? सारे बैरन ट्रीज पर न्यू लीव्स आने लगी थी, वहाँ पर फ्लावर्स आने लगे थे ट्रीज पर, राइट, ट्रीज और प्लांट्स में. सो देयर वाज greenery everywhere in the spring season. Here also the same thing is happening because the season is same. So spring is breezy, new leaves grow. What is growing? New leaves are growing in the spring season. Okay, what grows in the spring season? New leaves grow. Okay, one more thing happens, flowers bloom. Bloom means खिल जाना. ठीक है, flowers bloom and sway in rows. Okay, sway, sway means move from side to side. Okay, in rows. So like this is one garden, if we say. Okay, here flowers, they are in rows. So flowers जब rows में लगे होते हैं, ठीक है, वो इस तरह से हिलते हैं. All right, they sway in rows. Because wind is there ना, wind makes the flowers sway in rows. Okay, so spring जो है वो breezy होता है क्योंकि flowers जो है वो bloom करते हैं. The flowers bloom in the spring season, right? और जब flowers खिलते हैं तो flowers में क्या होता है? What is there in the flowers? Flowers have fragrance, right? It has fragrance. So fragrance जो होती है यानी कि खुशबू, वो खुशबू मिक्स हो जाती है हवा में. And that wind is now breeze. It becomes breeze. All right. So that खुशबू वाली हवा जो है, it is called breeze. Okay. Therefore, spring is breezy. इसलिए spring जो है वो breezy है. All right. New leaves grow, flowers bloom, and sway in rows. All right. So this is what the stanza is telling us. Now, let me write the third stanza. We are still on page number 96. Okay. So the next stanza, the third stanza, it is given on page 96. You can see there, okay, the summer stanza there. So let's first learn how to read the stanza. All right. Let's first learn how to read the stanza. Summer is hot. Okay? Summer is hot. So the next season that we have to talk about in the poem is summer. Summer is hot. IT and this apostrophe S. It is read as it's. It's. It and is का combination है ये. It's full of sun. There is no school. It's lots of fun. Okay? Let's read it one more time. Summer is hot. It's full of sun. There is no school. It's lots of fun. Okay? So now, we all know how the summer season is. It is very, very hot, right? So summer is hot. It's full of sun. Full of sun means like from the morning to that evening, from where the sun rises to the sunset. The day, whole day is full of sun. बहुत तेज धूप होती है पूरा दिन. So therefore the poet is saying that summer is hot. है ना, पूरा दिन धूप होती है इसलिए मतलब बहुत तेज धूप होती है. So it is very, very hot in the days of summer. Okay? It's full of sun, right? The whole day is full of sun. Okay? मतलब पूरा दिन सूरज एकदम बहुत तेजी से चमकता है ना? And that sunlight, it becomes the atmosphere very hot, right? There is no school. Of course, in our area we get the summer break, right? So just because it is very, very hot that we cannot bear that hotness and we cannot come to school. Especially you children cannot come to school. आप लोग जो बच्चे हैं वो स्कूल नहीं आ सकते, इतनी गर्मी होती है ना? तो इसलिए हमें समर वेकेशन मिलता है समर में. ठीक है? सो आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे एक चीज अच्छी है जो समर में होती है, राइट? So there is no school in summer and it's lots of fun. So when there is no school, you are at your home for the whole day, in fact for the whole 2 months, right? So what do? You do a lot of fun at home, right? आप घर पे बहुत सारा enjoy करते हैं, है ना? But अभी देखा जाए तो this year 2021 and this session 2020 and 2021 this session ये तो आपका पूरा ही एक समर ब्रेक के जैसा गया है. So you are at your home, maybe doing lots of fun, but I am sure that you must be missing school, right? So summer is hot. We know what is that? Summer is hot. Okay? Why is it hot? Because it's full of sun. Hot क्यों होता है समर? क्योंकि पूरा दिन सूरज एकदम तेजी से चमकता है, right? And it's full of sun. The day is full of sun. All right? There is no school. It's lots of fun. So this is what poet wants to tell us about the summer season. Okay? Now, please turn the page. Well, 3 more stanzas are remaining from this chapter. Okay? That in those 3 stanzas that are given on page number 97 on the next page. All right? So those 3 stanzas, in those 3 stanzas we will talk about the autumn season and the winter season. So that we will study in the next lecture. But just now for 2-3 minutes, let's do a quick revision of whatever we had studied. So let me read the poem once again from the beginning to this stanza. So the seasons change 4 times a year. From spring to winter they appear. Okay? Seasons change होते हैं साल में 4 बार. This is the poet wants to tell us. Okay? So the seasons change how many times a year? 4 times a year. So from beginning with spring to winter they change. Alright? From spring to winter they appear. Okay? Spring से winter तक हमें सारे seasons 1 by 1 देखने को मिलते हैं. Okay? that we are able to see so many seasons. Alright. Next stanza is, spring is breezy, new leaves grow, flowers bloom and sway in rows. So, next stanza talks about the first season that we see according to the poet. So, according to the poet, he has taken the spring season as the first season. So, इसलिए हम जो second stanza है उसमें हम spring की बात कर रहे हैं, है ना? Poet ने spring season को as a first season लिया है. Alright? So, spring is breezy. How is spring? Spring is breezy. Breezy means windy. The wind that is mixed with the fragrance of flowers. Okay? What is breezy? Breezy means wind that is mixed up with the fragrance of flowers. Okay? Flowers की खुशबू जब wind में मिल जाती है तो wind हो जाती है breezy. Therefore, spring is breezy. अब spring breezy क्यों है? Because new leaves grows and flowers bloom and sway in rows. Okay? Spring, in the spring season, what happens? New leaves grow. Alright, on the barren trees में new leaves grow करते हैं. Flowers bloom. The flowers bloom. जितने भी फूल हैं वो खिल जाते हैं. ठीक है? Spring season में बहुत सारे फूल खिलते हैं. And sway in rows. Okay? Just because the wind is there, they sway in rows like this. Okay? Next stanza is, summer is hot. We are talking about the second season here. That comes after spring according to the poet. So, according to the poet, the next season after spring is summer. So, how is summer? Summer is hot. Why it is hot? Because it's full of sun. So, just because it is full of sun the whole day, you people, you children get, summer vacation. So, there is no school and it's lots of fun. Okay, so you have a lot of fun when you do not have school. Alright, so in the summer season, you have lot of fun. Alright, so we will, understand the next stanzas in the next lecture. So, it's time for me to go. See you in the next lecture. Please have your book in your hand, the same book, literature book, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Bye-bye, take care.